Hey everybody, I wanted to point out something. I know that some of you are interested in getting the Pi 4, and one of the things that was suggested is that we should get the case that comes with it. And so from Micro Center, I got these micro connectors from Brian right here, which isn't so bad. It does the trick. It comes with the heat sinks in the case itself. But I noticed something that the fan itself was running pretty loud. And so I was trying to figure out if there was a way to quieten it down. And so through the forums, I was able to find out that if you actually put in the red connector into the 3-volt connection, so listen to it in 5. I'm going to put this one on 3. Whoops. Boom, boom. You still get the cooling benefit, but it's much, much quieter. So I just wanted to make sure I pointed that out to everybody. So, as we are going to be using these from time to time. All right. Any questions, you know how to get to me.